official. In 2 days, we're homeless. So the house closes on Tuesday, but we've obviously been living in the camper for a few weeks now because we were supposed to be out of the house last week, so we went ahead and moved out like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, something like that. And got pushed back, so we still technically own it, but now we're good to go. She's tired. We just took our last load of stuff up to her parents' house. We just took a little corner of their garage.
Yeah.
Packed it full.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I feel a little off in the moment, just because there's a lot of really great things happening, but it just feels weird. And I think when you're choosing a different kind of lifestyle than what was traditional, it can be great and exciting and adventurous, but at times overwhelming. And it's one of those things where I'm getting to the point that I had this idea in my head of what my 30s would look like.
Not this.
And it wasn't this at all. But it's great. And my mom was laughing at me today. She goes, "It's your adrenaline rush." She goes, "You're just like your grandfathers. I'm not going to ride a motorcycle right now because I'm a mom. I'm not going to jump out of airplanes because I'm a mom. So, you know what? We're just going to sell the house and travel the country."
Aki's having fun with that Paw Patrol in the back. I think it's funny.
Yeah.
It's a great laugh, isn't it?
It is. But I'm excited to see what our adventures are holding. So I think right now we're in like a planning mode of what adventures are we going to go on first. So there's a couple things
with Augie's homeschooling, we need internet.
Well, I would say there's a couple things that we have to think about first. I can announce it on our channel now. I actually got another new job. It's with a great company that I've worked with, not for, but with, for a while, and I really love the company. It's a great transition for me post MBA that allows me to use my current job skills with my newly obtained business skills. So I'm really excited to start this job, and it's bittersweet. I've been at my current office for 8 years almost, and so it's bittersweet. But so with this new job, long story short, I need really fantastic internet because it is a remote position, and that to me is number one with whatever we decide to do living wise is we have to have a job.
Yeah. So what we're probably going to do is like on Fridays will be a travel day. Like as soon as she gets off, we'll be okay, load up, go. Get there basically Saturday morning, we'll figure something out, and then test the internet. Internet's not good, keep going. Find a spot that has the best internet. Like there's a few different options I looked at: over the road internet, nomad internet, different prepaid hotspots, stuff like that. But so the internet's gonna be a big one. I'll do a video on internet when we figure out what works. It's probably gonna be months from now, but we'll do a video on it when it works.
I will probably gripe about it if it's not fantastic until it's completely fantastic, just because.
But she knows too. I've already spent probably 20-30 hours researching this internet situation, looking at reviews and stuff like that. So that's a big one. I know a lot of our viewers want to be disconnected when they get out, and they don't want to actually have internet. But that's going to be us on the weekends. We don't really care to have that much internet. But I mean, we're even taking the TV out of the new rig. But
and I think the other thing that I'm really excited about is we're slowing down. Like life is going to slow down dramatically for us.
It already has with the move.
It has, and it's crazy to think about how much it's going to slow down. And I've never been more excited to slow down. The past 5 years, I think, since we've had Augie, it's just been one thing after another. Great things have happened, but we've been super busy.
And I'm a little bit OCD when it comes to cleaning. So like when I clean, it takes hours.
Yeah.
So it eats up a lot of our day, but in the rig, I don't even have that choice.
And it's not even just cleaning, it's, starting new jobs, trying to get better in your career, Randy working at the golf course, and then switching jobs. It's a lot of really great things that have happened that have allowed us to get to this point, but it's still stressful. It's still, I think right now, currently, up until last week I was working 2 jobs. I was a safety advisor and I'm a full-time MBA student and trying to be a mom and wife and it's just a lot. And so when I leave my current position, I will be leaving my safety advisor role. I will be leaving one of my jobs behind. I will be, in December, leaving behind the MBA program. We're leaving behind our hour commutes.
And it's supposed to only be 20-30 minutes, but it always ends up being an hour.
Yeah. So there's a lot of things that we get to leave behind with this move that I am super excited about.
I'm going to move over to this RV pass so he doesn't have to go around me because he's wanting to faster.
But there's a lot of things that I'm excited to leave behind and say that we're letting go for the time being.
And also trying to be healthier. Like, I just drove past a Dairy Queen blizzard and didn't stop. Just saying. Kudos to me.
Yeah, so, and we were doing fantastic at the beginning of this quarantine. We were eating pretty healthy. I was cooking more like I used to. We were exercising every day pretty much.
That's a big camper, isn't it? Actually, it's a humongous camper.
But things happen, life happens, and it's just been one thing after another. So I'm excited to get back to cooking more and exercising.
She'll be doing a lot of weekend cooking. I'll be, during the week cooking.
Yeah.
Because she'll be on the pooter.
Yeah, so if you have, as we start sharing like places that we're gonna visit, or if you have places that you know of that have like these really awesome farmers markets, go ahead and share them.
That also has internet.
That also have internet, but go ahead and share them because I'm dying to try out all different kinds of farmers markets. That's where I'm going to probably nerd out on our travel the most. Let's go try this local farmers market and make.
Can he stop it? That rig's a little bit big for that truck, and I was wondering if he was gonna be able to stop it. He almost didn't.
But yeah, being able to cook from different local markets is going to be super cool.
Yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Next week I'll do a video of the actual closing of the house and shutting her down and getting out and kind of show the house. And we'll be on our way after that week pretty much. Well, we still got to finish up through the end of August. We'll basically still be in Florida at least, if not into September.
Yeah.
So we'll figure all that out as we go. We just figured this out, so we'll figure it out as we go. But we have stable internet at the campground now. We have actual wired internet, so we'll figure it out and go. But until then,
we'll see you on our next adventure.